Good morning, Danny here, Seabacker Studio and 30 Days Challenge, day 19. My nationals are coming closer and closer. I'm really getting so excited about it. How are you doing with the books? We've been talking about reading some books. I did read the book of Maja Włoszczowska, very interesting one. I'm not sure whether it is available in English. Let me know which books are you reading or have you finished reading already. But today's task for you is very easy. Just watch at least one of the videos I'm featuring in the descriptions. These are not mine, but these are one of the most inspiring, but it's not only for inspiration, it's a lot of knowledge there, a lot of info we need about health, also motivation. These are one of the pearls on YouTube, in my opinion. So watch this. I'm sure some of this you've seen already. If not, you will be inspired. So today we just take it easy and watch it, but do it mindfully. And let's talk about it in the comment section. See you guys.